Good morning. Welcome to Chaotic Peace Expressions. Okay, so today's pour is really special because I finally opened my special gift to myself for my birthday. I bought two sets. I bought one, the 60 set of the Arteza premium paints, as well as the 36 metallic ones. So today I'm going to open the 61. I've been holding off. I don't know really why I've been holding off. I think I was trying to be more confident before I opened it and wanted to use it on something that I really, liked, and I don't know. Anyway, so today I'm finally opening it. So, oh my God, as you can see, I love these paints. Oh my God, every type of shade of colors. The only thing I can really say negative, actually not really negative, it's probably just me being picky, is that I don't see that many shades of purple. And yeah, that's the only thing that I can really say, is that I don't see that many shades of purple. But oh my God, I love these colors. And today's pour, I did try to make it all Arteza. I didn't want to use any of the Craft Smart or the Apple Barrel. Not that there's anything wrong with that. Absolutely not. I actually love some of those paints. There's certain ones that, oh my God, I just love, especially the metallic ones. But in any case, today's, I did end up though using some DecoArt and some Artist Loft. But yeah, so let's see how it works out. I did end up mixing some stuff together. I always, for some reason, end up mixing some of my paints. It's just sometimes I'm just not satisfied, and I have to mix paints together to get it to the, I don't know, whatever I have in my mind. Anyway, so let's see how this goes. All the paints that I use are listed in the description box. And yeah, I hope you really enjoy it. And please, if you enjoy watching my video, like it, and please press the subscribe. I'm having a great time learning and doing these wonderful pours, and your support helps me, motivates me to keep going, and I really appreciate that. Anyhow, take care, keep safe, and thank you for watching.
Hush the beat, yeah. Hush the beat, yeah.